And in the unboxing video this week, I'm actually featuring a business called Custom Made Better. I recently put in a purchase for some specialty acrylics, some solid acrylics, and some laserable leatherette. And I wanted to give them a try. They have some really unique designs on their site, and for me, I am a acrylic hoarder. Like, I see beautiful acrylics and I'm like, I need this. So that was kind of the inspiration behind this. So this is a box I actually got from Custom Made Better. It's a variety box. I got a bunch of different things because that's what I do. I'm always trying new things out, and I am really excited to see what's in here.
I did film this clip afterwards because when I was compiling all the clips, for some reason, the actual unboxing part of the video went missing. I don't have that footage anymore. I looked all over the place. However, I do have the clips from after I unboxed everything and I'm showing the products, so I am going to be showing you some of the amazing products that I did get, just without the actual unbox part, unfortunately, but hopefully this will help inspire you as well.
Figured maybe I'll just like hold them up so you guys can kind of see the different things I got. It's kind of hard with some of these because they're masked, but so I do often, like when they're masked, I just peel the backs off. So I have this like really pretty like fall color. It's called, this is the mustard one. And I really like the matte acrylic for some reason. I don't know, like sometimes the glossy is just a little bit too glossy. This is one of the yellows because I, like I said, have been on the hunt for a yellow. So I'm always looking for yellows. Let me just kind of bring them over here because I think it's just going to be easier that way. So this is the transparent one, which I think is just so cool. Let's see. It's like, I'm just really excited. I really like this style. I think this is just wicked cool. I'll use my leathers too. Be another test. And then we have the alcohol ink one, which is really cool. Put that over here. Really like this oil one. And then these are my MDFs because I think these are gonna make such cute little earrings, like sugar cookies. Might be a little bit thick, but it's gonna be layered. The way I'm gonna layer it's gonna look nice, so believe me. And for my laserable leatherettes, this beautiful marble. I think it's gonna look great with like the pink hats that I got, so I'm excited about that. They're big sheets too. And these two are for my uncle because I'm always making patches for him. And then I already showed my acrylics. My little sample sheets of acrylic. Yeah, so that's kind of like my first unboxing video. If you're interested in any of these, make sure to check out Custom Made Better. I will include their link. And they have all these awesome like little like care cards. Oh, I forgot my little patch. And like I said, I'm always trying new things. I'm always, you know, trying different companies, testing out different materials, and you don't know until you try. And why not actually like start recording all the awesome things I'm getting from people, because nobody's gonna know about them unless, you know, you tell them, unless you show them the awesome things you're getting. So